The subscribers want to know what's going on here. So, the battery has been draining down the last couple days. We haven't used it as often as we normally do. But the battery's been going down. We charged it up the other day. We went out and used it today, doing some cutting and stuff. I'll throw in these video clips here of what it just did. The voltage was just going up and down and fluctuating a bit. So that was kind of weird. And then it just died while we were sitting here idling. So I'll show you here what happened up here. It's clicking in the back because the fuel pump can't run. We have an error and not enough volts to show on the display. Yeah, the fuel pump's clicking because there's not enough volts to run that. This is a voltage issue, it seems like, so start with the voltage. So that's where we're at. We might be towing this one back. I think I'm going to have to get a battery for this one. Probably just drag this back up and see what the deal is. Thanks for watching. Subscribe down below if you want to find out what happens next on the unknown issue with our Alterra here. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Smash the like button, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.